Hey everybody, this is Luke from Performance Bodies. Today we're going to talk about the Milwaukee Air Inflator. So as you know, we got a bunch of Milwaukee stuff in. We're going to start stocking it. This is the Milwaukee M18 Air Inflator. We also have it available in the M12. So today we're going to show you just how it works. I got one of my tires here. I'm going to show you how we inflate it. So basically it has this little screw deal here. You're just going to screw it onto your valve stem. You'll hear it start leaking a little bit. You just got to go a little bit tighter until it stops. It'll actually get a little bit tight. That way you know it's on. Then you're just going to hit the power button here. It's going to light up. It's going to have your display here. It's going to have a readout here. Looks like I'm at 8 pounds pressure. If I hit the plus button, you'll see up here it's reading 10. I'm going to have it set at 13 pounds. And then I'm going to hit this little button here, and it's going to fire up, and it's going to start pumping up. So you heard it kicking on and off, so it's going to pump it up a little bit. It's going to check the pressure, pump back on, just so it doesn't overinflate. So it's as simple as that. You screw it on, it'll tell you what your pressure is, you set it to what you want, and you just let it go. So we have these in stock here at Performance Bodies. You can check them out at performancebodies.com or order them and give us a call at 1-800-RACING1. Thanks guys.